Big up, big up, big up, big up, big up, Charlie. More, one more. Big up, big up. You don't want some people get in me. Big up, Charlie. Lion. Big up, big up, big up. Bless it. Take it down, take it down. Hold on there. When you know, say everybody have to have a little daddy night business. Big up my daddy night house, you understand me? You know, fish and you. Want Mr. BLA? Oh, the big man married now, you know, so anybody will try running, it can't work. So you say, all who try running, it can't work. Mr. BLA, congratulations. You understand me? Everybody on a private thing, because we see it on Facebook. Suck out tongue. Why? Big up yourself. June, you didn't have the wedding? You didn't have the wedding? You was at the wedding? Hey, let me tell you something. You see when you have wedding, you must have good singer wedding. But anyway, my brother married and big up yourself. Papa, Admiral Bailey, yeah, Glendon Bailey. One of them need to marry now. Yeah. Yeah, now you understand me? And the ladies they were sleeping from night and said, Deacon Bailey, you look good, you know, you're one of the best man, they look so good, boy, may I tell you, congrats, thank you now. Because the Muslim man, clothes fit man, some of them man a big belly, bash up the clothes looking. But anyway, when you have a wedding, you need an artist that is very capable of dealing with the situation. So the man decides, he want to head the thing first, so we're not running around now. Ladies and gentlemen, this singer is one of the baddest singers in the island. And you have another baddest singer in the island. So two great singers under one roof tonight. The younger of the rest. This is no ordinary singer. Him say man somewhere for go. Ladies and gentlemen, I want you to put your hands together and welcome to center stage. A young artist in his own rights. This is one of the artists that make me know say, yeah, Baker Bailey, come we are going to fire and bag of things. Ladies and gentlemen, all the ladies, I want to hear you scream. This is no ghost hour. This is no fairy tale. This is no nightmare. Welcome to center stage. The singing, Duppy, Mr. Carlton, Hilton is not a naming, but we Jamaican, over decades, known as the singing Duppy. Let the young ladies scream. All those, welcome to center stage. Outside of Kingston, Jamaica. Go! Mr. Manager, put some volume on this mic, put some reverb, put some echo, so my ladies can hear me. Wow. Mr. Music, play. Go swing.
Ooh. sky. I saw an angel, I met her sure. She smiled at me under something. She was with another man. I won't lose it, won't sleep on it, 'cause I got it up on my head. You're beautiful, and you're beautiful, lady, you're beautiful. Don't pay no mind. I think I take a chance to race with them, so you know? And they are bad bands. You hear them up here? Sure. You ready to give them back? This one. And I never, ever, I want them to remember the one here. You think I need this side, baby? As I said before, those little babies, they take you. And I'm never, ever, and never gonna let you. This side, give me this side. You think I leave your side, baby? You want me better than that. Think I let it down when you're down and you're pretty wise. I'll take you in the vibes when you walk. And if only you can see it so bad. My baby, put no ladies, when you call, I'll be there, hold you soon. When you're lost, I can't get in. I will show you, you're so much more. When you're lost and you're alone, you can't get back again. Better than that, ghosts will do that. I said you when you're watching you walk, and if only you could sing it to my baby, my baby. I did not get to rehearse in the box. You know listen again? Me never get to rehearse in the box. So whatever mistake of yours, broke it out of it. Yes. So Mr. Music. Yeah! Take it down some more. Thank you so much. I know because it's the first time here, and the way this lady's going on. When I look at you right now, you know what you're doing to me, Mr. Music. If our love was a fairy tale, I would be the name that compares to you. Are we happy to be the same? So when I don't think we see eye. And if you have babies, they can look like you be so beautiful if that's you don't even know they're special. Can't believe it now. Can I hear my babies? You need me. You're everything good in my life. Leave me there. I still can't believe it's your mind. You just walk out of very first speech, dollars dropped you would be about. And if we had babies, they would have your eyes. All the poor people watching you get blind. You don't even know how special you are. Oh, my baby, leave me back. With everything in my life, leave me back. Still can't believe it's over. You just walk down the water. Slowly, let me get a bridge. You must have been in from heaven to earth to change man. Things that I feel stronger than I believe in them. Are you the only that I only deserve what you give me? But all I can do is try. Everything in my life. Take it down. I want to play but we'll take it down slow. Ladies, you know that we are man. And sometimes, you know, because we are man that one, we don't want to apologize. But me, listen to me. Me never apologize. Me apologize. Listen to me. It's when me go at night time I'm just sitting just me alone and the baby. You know me. You know me. So look what I said. Same thing, but it's weird just a little bit bigger now. What am I gonna do to do that? Same thing, but it feels just a little bit bigger now. All song on the radio, but it don't sound the same. When our friends talk about it, what it does, it just tear me down. My heart's just a little when I hear it all just too young, too dumb to realize I don't want the flower and everything. Should've given you all this all. We had a chance. Take you heavy, but it was all you wanted to do. Then now my baby, and she dances with me. My pride, my ego, my selfish way. Was a bit strong like you were part of my life. Though I never get to clean up this mess, those men. Oh no. And it was with every time I close my eyes, it all just too young, too dumb to realize I took a part. Should've given you all this hour, but I had a chance. Take you every party you want, you wanted. Damn, now my baby. Should've given you all this love. Take you to every party, 'cause I remember what I love today. Do all the things I want. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much. So, listen again. Break it down, break it down, break it down, break it down. Break it down. Break it down. As you can know, ladies and gentlemen, I'm a lover. I love to do it with the females. So you see, any lovers here tonight, don't come take these photos and pictures. Which is right after you leave here. you should take your female, and female, you should take your man. And you go someplace that is only four walls looking at you. Oh no. And you look in his eye, you look in her eyes. And you make passionate love and you tell her this. These walls keep a secret. It's only we know. And oh no, can't they keep it? 'Cause we do lose control. We do shadow. She's one man. We can't do it. All right, I'm gonna do it. Oh no. Something like this. These walls keep a secret. Only we know. And oh no, and they keep it. 'Cause we do lose control. We do shadow. Chasing the rainbow. Behind those windows, behind, can I get my name? And if we walk you, ever see I want you more, they would, yeah, never feel it. And then you will always do one part, more, break it down. Some people making memories so good today. If these are never when we're alive, where we do shadow behind those windows. They would say about you more. They would, yeah, yeah. And then you will always go one part, and you go always still up. They would, I'm connected. Every movement, I love it. Whoa. You feel like changing? You feel like changing the vibe? Don't do the people, don't want to change the vibe. I told me I'm an artist, me I work for something, man.